sorry guys. Okay, so we are activating the ad hoc report builder and we are activating the compensation related stuff under your ad hoc report builder. So going forward, yes, you can report your compensation data using the ad hoc report builder, guys. So that is what has been mentioned here, you can see. And here you can see they're asking us to set up the comp admin from the provisioning account. Keep in mind, guys, I mentioned to you this document has been prepared as though you got your goals, performance, and compensation module license and you are activating them for the first time in your organization. So far, you don't have any other module and you have to create a super admin from your provisioning account, right? And he is the one who is going to log into your instance. And that is the reason you can see they're setting up the comp admin from the provisioning account. So where you're going to set up your super admins in the provisioning account is, this is the place, right? Under your company settings. If you go here all the way down, guys, you see here, this is the place where you're going to set up your super admins. And we already did that. If you want to do it, yes, we can do one more user from this particular place. And usually we'll create the super admins only when you don't have any login to, when you don't have any user account to log into your instance, right? You're going to create a super admin here and he's the first user who is going to log into your instance and he'll be configuring all other user accounts or he'll be configuring the rest of the stuff in your SuccessFactors instance.
Raghu, is it possible to create multiple super admins or?
Yeah, we can do that. We can create a number of super admins from this place, Charmy.
Okay.
But usually we don't do that because by default they will be administrators. If you create them from here, right, they'll become administrators.
Okay.
So instead of that, usually like when we are going to get the license for the first time, right? That time you don't have any login to or user account to log into your instance because SuccessFactors doesn't give you any user account to log into your instance. They'll just give you the provisioning details. With the same provisioning details, you will not be able to log into your instance. So that is the reason you go to the provisioning account with the credentials provided by SuccessFactors. You will create a super admin, and that super admin is going to log into your instance as the first time, and he'll be creating all other consultants user accounts, and he'll be providing the required privileges to the consultants, and so that all the other consultants will be able to log into the instance and carry out with their configuration. That is how it is going. It used to be in the real time when you are on a project, right? That is how it is going to be, Charmy.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm not going to do it again, guys. If you want, you can do it, but that's not a big deal, guys. You just provide the username, password, first name, last name, and click on done. That's it. And here you can see they're asking us to configure your goal plan template, because how we are going to carry out this setup is, as I mentioned to you, they'll carry out by defining goals. To define goals, you need to have goal plan template, and they'll carry out the performance review for certain employees. And to carry out the performance review for employees, you need to have performance plan template. And once these templates has been prepared, right, you will be carrying out their compensation review. In order to carry out the compensation review for employees, you need to have compensation plan template configured, right? So what we'll be doing is, like, we'll be loading your goal plan template, your performance plan template, and we'll be doing the compensation review. And here you can see we'll be carrying out all the stuff for these employees. Okay, we'll be assigning the goals to all these employees, and these employees will do the self review, and as a manager we'll be doing the manager assessment or manager review, and we'll come up with the performance outcome for the employees, and that performance outcome we are going to integrate into your compensation management module, guys. Does it make sense, guys? Hello?
Raghu, can you repeat one more time, Raghu?
No, my plan with respect to the compensation module is, so you can carry out the employees compensation review only when you have the performance outcome for the employees, right? Based on the employees performance outcome, you are going to do the compensate them appropriately.
Correct.
How you are going to come with the performance outcome for the employees is, usually you'll define the goals for the employees, right? Employees will do the self review, and once the employees are done with the self review, you will be doing, as a manager, managers should carry out the appraisal for their employees, right?
Correct.
Right. So a manager has to do their manager assessment, and out of that manager assessment, once this cycle, the complete performance review cycle is done, where employee will be doing self review, manager is doing the manager assessment, and HR will be approving that or denying that, all that cycle will come up with the outcome of this particular process is employees performance ratings.
Okay.
Agreed? And those ratings we are going to use in your compensation management module to carry out their compensation review. Say employee got 5 out of 5, 5 rating out of a scale of 1 to 5. So that will help as a scale for you to do their compensation review. Right? Your guidelines will be written under the same performance ratings. Your eligibility conditions can be written under the same guideline, same rules. Say if employee 1 rating, he is not eligible for compensation review. So you can, most of the stuff in your compensation management module will depend on the employee's performance outcome. Usually it happens in any tool, guys. It's not specific to compensation success factors, but in any tool, your employee's performance outcome will act as a reference to carry out the employee's compensation review. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, Raghu.
Yeah. So as a first thing, what they are asking us here to load the goal plan template. So you know that you can load a goal plan template XML file, or you can create a goal plan template from your instance user interface as well. So what we'll be doing, like we'll be carrying out by loading the XML files, we'll be creating the goal plan template, and you can see if you come down, we'll be loading their compensation plan template. Okay, and we'll be loading their we'll be loading their performance plan template, we'll be loading their compensation plan template, and then we are going to carry out their compensation review. Guys, we'll be configuring the compensation module completely, then we'll be carrying out their compensation review. So I'm going to stop it here for today. Starting from tomorrow, I'm going to load this goal plan template, and we'll carry out the rest of the activities that are pending has been mentioned here in this initial setup guide. And once this is done, we are going to start with the actual compensation configuration, guys. This is all the prerequisites or the mandatory things that we need to perform in order to start your compensation module configuration.
Hello. Hello, Raghu.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Raghu, I have one doubt. Actually, enum is one field that Excel file.
Enum is a type,
Hello.
your field type.
Okay, field type.
Yeah.
Can you configure? Can you add this field into this instance directly?
That's what you're doing, right? Say when you're loading your XML file with a field, like say
Okay.
status. Status is a field. The field type is enum, nothing but it's a drop down field. What values that should go into that enum drop down list is that you're going to say green. Okay, green is nothing but on track. Say orange, slightly deviated from the expected result or outcome, or red, you're out of the
Okay.
expected things. So enum is nothing but it will tell you what values that you are interested in displaying in the drop down list. Your field is the same thing, but on the single field you want to show multiple drop down values. Your pick list management, if you remember your pick list management, it works in the same fashion, Rajesh.
Okay. 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 I mean, you are assigning one. I mean, one color, and you have to give
Yes,
some values for that.
correct, Rajesh.
Okay, thank you, Raghu.
Yeah.
Raghu, you mentioned that we're going to be uploading the goal review file and the performance review file tomorrow.
Yes.
Do we create the files ourselves? How are we
No,
going
no.
to do it?
Usually you'll get it standard files, XML files from SuccessFactors, Charmy. If you look at the document that I sent to you, I already shared those XML files with you.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll look into it.
You will be using those things to load or create this goal plan template, performance plan template, and compensation plan templates. On top of that, we'll carry out the configuration.
Sounds good. Raghu,
Yeah.
today you have sent a document, Raghu, or long back because I've
No,
not
last week I
received.
sent you the
You sent
compensation.
today.
No. Last,
Okay, I got it. Yeah.
yeah, because I told you, right, we'll be starting with compensation. I shared you the required documentation before that itself, Rupa.
Yeah, that mail I have. I'm a bit
Yeah.
confused. Like today also.
No,
you have
I'll be
sent
sending
me
you one more
document.
email tonight or probably tomorrow with your compensation
Mhm.
admin guide. That will talk more about your configuration or more inputs on the configuration side.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Raghu,
Yeah. Tell me.
uh, so I emailed you. Can you please let me know when can I call you?
Just give me 10:14. Can you call at 10:45 in another 30 minutes, Durga?
30 minutes? Okay, all right.
Yeah.
I'll call you.
Okay, Durga.
Hey, Raghu.
Yeah, Charmi.
And this is Sharmi. I emailed you earlier also. I'm kind of lost, so I would like to talk to your phone on where to start and where to begin.
Yeah, sure.
What's a good time to talk? Is it if it's already too late for you, we can talk tomorrow morning too.
Oh, yeah, sure. Tomorrow, if you don't mind, can you call it like 1 p.m., Charmi?
1 p.m.
12 of your
Yes,
time.
12 p.m. my time.
Yeah,
Will do.
sure.
All right, thanks.
Even if I'm not able to answer, right, just drop me a voice message. I'll call you back.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay, Charmi. And I already set up your access and shared those details with you, Charmi. I hope like you received that email.
Yes, I did receive the email, but it's a lot, and that's why
Yeah.
I'm lost.
No,
I don't
yeah.
know where to start.
Sure, definitely. Yeah. You can discuss. Yes, Srikanth.
Raghu, like since the performance management is integrated with the compensation, right? Say for example, focal review, and if the review period is between Jan and December, and I have a new joinee during the month of November, so Alan Thompson, who is a compensation planner, when he is going to see the list of reportees under him, how is it going to get displayed for this new joinee?
Can you repeat that question, Srikanth?
If we are going with a focal review, right?
Yeah.
Rather than the annual review,
Okay.
I have a new joinee during the month of November.
Okay.
So for him, the goals are not set, the performance template is
That is
also not
where your
there.
eligibility conditions. And I'm going to write a eligibility condition stating that employees whose hire date is greater than 1st of August, like 31st of August, they are not eligible for compensation.
Okay.
So
This
that
is
way,
part of the configuration.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll show you how to do your employees eligibility, ineligibility. We'll look at those things, guys.
And Raghu, regarding the beta goal template, can you share that specific Excel sheet that we uploaded?
Yeah, it is there. It is there in the compensation module that I sent to you guys.
Oh, the beta goal import?
No, not the beta goal, import goals. But the other one, I need to look into it, Srikanth. I told you, right? I didn't get time to
Yes.
look into it, but let
Okay.
me look into it. I'll be able to
I
share.
just thought of reminding you. Yeah.
I'll send that to you guys. Don't worry about that.
Okay, Raghu.
Sure. Okay, guys. We'll meet in tomorrow's session at the same time. Yeah.
Thank
Bye,
you.
guys. Yeah.
Thanks, Raghu.
Bye, guys.